Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reset YouTube on Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. If YouTube is not opening, crashing, not playing videos, or showing error messages, resetting the app can fix the issue. First, open the left side menu on the YouTube app and scroll down to Settings. Inside it, scroll downward again and select Reset App for YouTube and confirm the action. This will restart the YouTube app and remove temporary issues. After resetting, open YouTube again and check if it works. If YouTube does not open at all, uninstall the app from your Smart TV. Get to the app, press the Options button, select Uninstall, and then reinstall it. Once installation is complete, open YouTube and test it again. Another method is clearing the YouTube cache. Open the Options menu again and then select Offload. Confirm the action and wait a few moments before reopening the app. If the problem continues, check your internet connection and make sure your TV is properly connected. Finally, restart your TV. Wait about 30 minutes and turn it on. So that's basically how you can reset YouTube on Smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.